Hello everybody, it's Malcolm here from Alpha Athlete Training Center, and I've got a video for you. This is about nutrition and diet. There's a lot of information out there, and so my goal is to kind of give you some direction as far as that information goes, because there's thousands and thousands of diets out there. You've got paleo, you've got high carb, low carb, you've got the South Beach diet, you've got Mediterranean, you've got high protein, high fat, low fat. And so how do you decide what's right for you? And without going into medical terms, the best way to decide what's right for you is a genetic test. And that's actually what we have available right here. It's through a company called Inherent Health. And what happens is, ordering the test, you're gonna get back this big packet here. It's got a DVD explaining the genetic tests. And then in this little section right here is cheek swab. And what you do is you pull that out of there, you rub it on your cheek, and then let it dry. Put it in the envelope and send it back to the company. And then a couple weeks later, you're gonna get a genetic profile. And that genetic profile tells you the ideal breakdown of nutrients, of macronutrients, so your fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, for you to lose body fat. And so the genetic test itself looks at 5 genes, and variations in those genes influence your body's ability to absorb and metabolize fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. So they look at how your body absorbs it. Are you good at absorbing fats? Well, that probably means you need to be on a lower fat diet. Are you good at absorbing carbs? Probably a lower carb diet. And then also, on a cellular level, how you metabolize those, how efficiently you burn them. So if you burn something more efficiently, then that's probably where you're gonna be consuming more of that macronutrient, okay? And so what happens is, like I said, you're gonna get a genetic profile back. This is my genetic profile. And for me, the best thing for me to restrict is my fats. So I absorb too much fat in my diet, and I have a hard time burning fat as fuel during exercise compared to carbohydrates and protein. So basically, based on my genetics, I should be eating about 50 to 65% carbohydrate, 15% or more from protein, which for me, I'm trying to build muscle, so it's considerably more. But fats is what I should restrict if I'm trying to lose body fat. And then on top of that, like I said, it's how you metabolize those things. So that plays a big role in what type of exercise is going to be best for you to lose body fat. And so there's something called a metabolic equivalent task. And you're either high MET, intermediate MET, or low MET. Okay, and that means basically it's a way of measuring intensity of exercise. So for me to lose body fat, the best thing for me to do is high metabolic equivalent task exercises. So things that are high intensity, like sprints, like running, Stairmaster, rowing, high intensity interval training, like circuits and things like that. So what I would recommend is get your test done. It's going to explain a lot about how you need to exercise, how you need to eat in order to maintain a healthy weight. Or if you're looking to lean out and get extra lean, those are the guidelines you're going to follow. So I hope this video helps. Have a great day. Talk to you later.